Is this thing on? 1111. How's it going, friends? Good morning. One. Is this thing on? Are you trolling me? Mic check. Alrighty then. So, good morning, friends. How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna analyze Bitcoin and Ethereum for myself again, like we did yesterday. I'm just gonna do my daily routine. I'm gonna analyze, as I mentioned, for myself. But right now, I'm not here to talk. I'm here to work. Maybe after we'll do a quick Q&A. But right now, I'm just enjoying my morning coffee and of course waiting for that CPI data. We will see how the market reacts after. So if you like the content, smash your like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah guys, enjoy the music. So what will we have in the chat? Hey boss. All right, how's it going? How's it going? All right, so this is just my basic daily routine. I'm gonna analyze everything as I mentioned, like we did yesterday during the live stream. I'm gonna take a look at those price levels. I mean, yeah, the CPI data and the volatility on the lower time frame. We'll see how the market will react, but no promises, of course, no predictions, only probabilities. So I'm gonna take a look. If this whole scenario, when the price, I mean, the market keeps, I mean, we're buying the dip and the price keeps dipping, so I need to look at those levels where I could buy some more, or maybe we have some, I don't know, let's just say bullish or bearish data. I don't even care. So I have to prepare for both scenarios. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So enjoy the music, guys, and you can watch me analyzing. You can comment in the chat. I'll answer all your questions probably. And after doing analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm gonna take a look what is going on with Solana. I'm gonna analyze those big boys, and maybe you have your suggestions. What should I analyze next? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, enjoy the music, guys. So by looking on these Ethereum charts, as we discussed yesterday, it could form a potential head and shoulders pattern. So that is a bearish situation, and the whole bearish scenario on Ethereum. But the thing is that right now the market sentiments and everyone is bullish. I can assume that based on the Fibonacci retracement tool, this red box could represent, as an example, our golden zone, but it doesn't matter. I mean, still support resistance. So right now is our resistance. At first, it was our support. So maybe there's going to be some volatility in the market, so we can experience some kind of shake off or shakeout. I don't know. We'll see. But if we're going to experience a clean breakout through this descending trend line that acts as a resistance, and through that resistance zone, or you can call it the golden zone, clean breakout, yeah, so then there's a probability to retest $4,000, 4 point almost 4,100. Yeah, so that would be also like a bullish and bearish scenario at once. So we're still waiting for that CPI data. We'll see. Maybe there's going to be a volatility, maybe not. We'll see. All right. So by looking on the bigger picture, 4-hour time frame Ethereum charts. So yeah, by creating those lower lows, again, I'm just trying to analyze everything all over again, because I'm making a decision, of course, for myself. I need to jump in some trades. Yeah, also this ascending trend line that acts as a support, like higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So maybe, yeah. So if the market, I mean, the price action will be healthy, nothing crazy will happen. So yeah, this scenario, shake off, whatever, then clean breakout, boom, retest at this golden zone, resistance zone, double check, and then movement to the downside at those maybe liquidity zones to grab them once again. Yeah, thanks, Money Hustler. If you know, you know. So yeah, basically everything is pretty much the same. Those liquidity zones, I mean those buy or sell orders on the heat map, shows us that 3.5, what is up with the 3.5? So yeah, pretty much here, it is the strong buy level once again. Nothing crazy. Yeah, pretty much. What is going on in the chat? Everyone is enjoying the music. Alrighty then. Alright. Yeah, so with Ethereum, pretty much everything is pretty much the same, like from yesterday. Of course, this one I will mark as a dead one. I using my own terms, no? I don't use break of structure, change of character when I'm trying to chase, I mean to track and chase the trend, or let's just say to catch a trend. I'm using my own terms. When I'm seeing like lower low, I'm just gonna use this dead one, dead emoji. I have in my own terms. Oh yeah, so basically, if this whole bearish scenario would play out, most maybe a small bounce from this order zone, and then the full and the whole bearish scenario. Of course, the price will be near this trend line, because I believe we have more than enough confirmation that 1, 2, not A+ trend line, but still, this is an A+ trend line. Look how many touches we have. As more touches we have, the more confirmation we have once again. Yeah, so basically that will be a nasty one, and back inside this range, the bearish scenario. We're talking about the bearish scenario. All right, nothing crazy. Of course, I'll see how this isolator will play out. Because On the 4-hour time frame, I couldn't see the money flow divergence. Everything was pretty much at the same levels. So yeah, if the price is gonna go below inside this range, of course, after getting below that, this yellow one, I'm gonna start questioning myself. Where's the range? What we can see next in the upcoming days for Ethereum? I mean, in the near future, if this whole scenario plays out, the bearish one. But then again, I will start asking myself, are we in that real one, the altcoin season? God damn it. Because I didn't see anything crazy in the market. So, and of course, if you're using that altcoin season index, you can see the spike to the 92-94% on the altcoin season index, and then it went down, which is like insane spike and insane drawdown. So I'm still gonna rely and I'm gonna trust my charts. I don't care about those indexes. Yeah, so that pretty much with Ethereum. I'll wait. So you have two options. You can wait for the CPI data and see how the market will react. Maybe we're gonna see some bullish momentum that are gonna keep going to the upside, gonna retest this descending trend line. Of course, we have those Fibonacci's, the strong resistance zone on the 4-hour time frame. Of course, to see the pullback after this massive rally, it is a healthy thing, you know? I already told you guys, it is a healthy thing. Ooh, let me just take a quick sippy. Morning coffee, guys. No sleep. Keep your eyes on the prize. What? So yeah, you have two options here. To wait for the CPI. I believe nothing crazy will happen. So then the price is going to climb towards the upside, going to retest this zone. At this zone, for those who are bearish, for those bears, it is a great, good levels to start opening your short position. And if we're gonna see that clean, where's my pen highlighter? But if we're gonna see, oh my god, lower lows, if we're gonna experience a clean breakout, then we could retest $4,000. Again, guys, when there's a bullish scenario, there's always a bearish scenario. So we have an option 1 and option 2. Bullish scenario and bearish one. All right, let's just... All right, so that's pretty much with Ethereum. Nothing new. For those who were in my yesterday's live stream. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Let that sink in. And this whole zone, I'm gonna tell you that this whole zone, I don't care about those key levels, but this whole zone of, if we're gonna see that the price gonna decrease by another negative 20%, 15-20%, which is crazy. I don't believe that. I don't want to believe that. You don't want to believe that. I don't want to see that. You don't want to see that. So I'm buying the dip on Ethereum. Call me crazy, but it is what it is. And again, as we saw yesterday, maybe there's a probability to see that squeezing, compressing, falling wedge pattern. So I'm going to keep an eye definitely on this one. I love those patterns. Of course, patterns are patterns. Still have to understand the whole market structure. And in the crypto market, yeah, patterns work. Patterns works. Yeah, so that could be phenomenal shake off and then a bounce from here. So yeah, all right, let's just get back to work. First of all, this one doesn't show me anything. And of course, those lines, we are below 50 50-day moving average. All right, so look, 50-day moving average just also perfectly connects with this resistance zone. All right, so we have to flip above it. And our next support is that 200 EMA. Also perfectly connects with this heat maps, order blocks. So everything is connected perfectly. So I can trust my charts based on the indicator, based on the heat map, based on this one. This is where all those orders are, and based on the supply, demand, support, resistance. So everything is perfectly connected. So I'm always like double checking everything that I know to make a rational decision. What is like, all right, we are in a downtrend, don't care. All righty then. Don't mind those indicators. So if you don't understand the market structure, none of those indicators will help you. So because, yeah, you know, indicators has a delay and they're lagging indicators. All of those indicators are lagging indicators. So you have to understand the price action first, then to add an extra sauce for a double or confirmation to make you feel, I don't know, confident, because you have to be confident in your entries and exits. All right, so let's just get back to work, all right? Alrighty then. Alright. Alright. So talking about Bitcoin, oh, I see some people joined. Greetings, Slick. Again, nothing new on the Bitcoin. Based on the data that we have a lot of resistance zone at the top between 99.6 and 101k on Bitcoin, and of course based on the swing highs and swing lows, yeah, that golden zone also shows us that we have a lot of supply, a lot of resistance here. Of course, by looking at those wicks, I mean, in general, as I mentioned you yesterday, Bitcoin looks terrible. I mean, it looks choppy, so I don't care. So I probably stick with Ethereum because it looks way better than Bitcoin. So, Slick, I'm just sipping my morning coffee, just analyzing, trying to make a decision because after getting those massive rallies, massive long positions, after closing a lot of those positions and giving you guys a bunch of calls, I need to make more technical analysis to see what is going on, because I know, just trying to stay in shape, you know. If there were me, I would like, I'm gonna tell you this, if I wouldn't have this like big ass community, I would be like staying out of the trading for the rest of December. I would be like enjoying my time off, but still, we have work to do. And just trying to please the crowd as always. So yeah, fellas, Bitcoin looks... I saw some of those influencers are trying to draw and connect those dots at the top that we form a ascending triangle pattern, which of course is bullish. It could play out by looking... yeah, that would be... this is my bear scenario. And yeah, that would be bullish if we were able to break this discounted zone that also represents a resistance. Let me just take a look. What are the regular Fibonacci's? Do we have? Alrighty then. So yeah, look at those fibs. What, after a clean breakout, if we're gonna defeat that, if we're gonna beat that discounted zone, what, there's a probability to see $111,000 on Bitcoin. I have no idea. But yeah, if the price is gonna do this, you're gonna do this. If the price is gonna do that, you're gonna do that. Some of you were asking what method are you using. I'm using my own method. So trend line, support, supply, demand, support, resistance, everything. Just trying to catch a perfect... This is not Forex trading, so I'm using everything. Everything that I can. Then, sorry. Then we have this little one. Oh, perfect. Fib zone connects. So if there's going to be that bullish scenario, if we're going to flip above this resistance, our job is to break. Well, I'm going to make it more cleaner. If we're going to break through that, then we have to break this whole structure. We have to indicate that we were able to create on the Bitcoin charts a higher high. Then yeah, this type of scenario, we're gonna fill some kind of demand zone. All right, to answer your question, what method are you using? Supply and demand. Everything else, just an extra sauce for me to show you the logic behind this setup. So yeah, that would be a bullish scenario. The whole price movement could do like this rally. But we'll see. All right, just like keep that in mind. All right, 111. Is there some orders on 100? Yeah, there's some orders on 110. All right, so that makes sense. So you see, you have to combine everything. You see, we have to break through that 105. 105. This log. Yeah. Oh, God damn it. Everything is connected. Why the hell I'm using so many tools? So yeah, again, this is a bearish scenario for those who are bearish. Oh, I hate Bitcoin. Screw that. I want to short it. So for these type of people, these are the good levels to start shorting. But we are in the bull rally. So, and of course, we don't know. Maybe we're experiencing that pullback. No one knows that. No one knows that. And yeah, for those bears, we have to do something like this for those believers. And of course, we have this beautiful baby trend line that maybe we're going to experience a clean breakout. But of course, we have to beat this supply, this resistance zone. So yeah, it looks very choppy. If I would decide to take that sniping entry on the Bitcoin, I mean, but still, the bearish scenarios looks better on Bitcoin than on Ethereum. Ethereum looks, it's two different coins. So I don't know. So I'm gonna let you to decide what the Bitcoin could do next. Of course, I'm gonna drop these technical analysis on my whale room, all the technical analysis channel. So for those who from my whale room, oh yeah, I'm gonna post that. But of course, you can always take a screenshot. Don't be lazy. Yeah, we have a lot of orders here. All the market makers are sitting at $111,000. Also, there's a lot of people that are sitting on 105 based on the heat map. Based on the heat map, fellas. Based on the heat map. I'm just trying to analyze and understand data, what the price could do next. Alrighty then. Well, yeah, so that is pretty much on Bitcoin. Take it or leave it. Oh, yeah, basically that. Yeah. But if I would like to, I could be wrong, but if I would like to place a smart, good risk reward ratio bet, maybe, but only maybe, a short position would be more, not could say relevant, but I want for the Bitcoin to consolidate, for the Bitcoin dominance going down, and the altcoin season. That's how I want everything played out. All right, let's get back to business. All right. All right. Talking about Solana, chat. Smash a, I don't know. Smash an emoji if you can hear me. Mic check, mic check. Sorry for turning off and turning on. But yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna play that music. I do trade gold, but right now we are trying to use this bull rally and bull market's opportunity. So you know what I'm saying? So right now the gold is just left behind. All right, so talking about Solana, based on those EMAs that I showed you recently, we're gonna face a lot of resistance right now. We have a ton of supply, but of course, this is like a beautiful, for those who took this trade or who bought some more, I'm not saying the buy more is gonna get you more returns than trading with leverage, but for those who took this trade with leverage, I mean, those are the nice spots. Look at this strong key level that represents a support, that V-shaped form. Oh my god. And right now, based on the price action, where's my highlighter? Solana is trying to go inside this range between 246 and 222. I'm gonna say 222-ish. So right now, it's probably gonna try to retest this descending trend line that acts as a resistance. Look, you saw that? I mean, you see these head and shoulder pattern? Well, eventually, yeah, it did play out. That is why I don't like those head and shoulder patterns that when we were talking about a potential upcoming head and shoulders patterns on Ethereum. On the 4-hour time frame, of course. So that is why I don't like them. Those patterns are choppy. I don't like to draw those necklines and try like rely everything on the pattern. But yeah, that looks decent to get rejected from here. But of course, if I'm using like trying to catch that golden zone, or should I use the whole chunk of the price, then yeah, the golden zone is around at the top of this trend line. So yeah, I'm gonna use the whole chunk because it connects beautifully. All right, thanks DJ. And yeah, based on the recap, hold on, I'm gonna finish with the Solana. For those who just joined, smash your like. Thank you very much. If you like the content, if you don't like it, so don't press that button. It's all good. So yeah, keep an eye on this setup. Of course, I saw that a lot of people are sharing this. I don't know if it could play out, but of course, if we can, the price could reclaim and go inside this inside this range. I'm gonna consolidate over here. So yeah, after a clean breakout, it is a possible scenario to see that, you know, those price actions when we are consolidating inside the range, boom, a V-shaped form price action that we see here, and then rally. Oh my god, I'm gonna use this one. This is already done, and we are experiencing a rally to the upside. I saw a lot of people are trying to share something like that. I'm not trading those V-shaped forms. I'm not relying with that price. Okay. Yeah, so that is pretty much on Solana. Keep an eye. Wonderful. The best thing to see, and every single trader wants to see that when we are, for example, we are going inside this range once again, we'd love to see some kind of pullback, a small pullback. If we're on a 1-hour time frame, on a 1-hour time frame, we would like to see some kind of pullback and retest that zone and close again above it. So it is like we are right now confident that this is definitely from our resistance became our support. That would be wonderful to see. So yeah, in my opinion, Solana could do something like this: retest that descending trend line, because you see the respect is there. 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 touches. Well, maybe this is gonna be like the 7th one, lucky charm. Maybe we're gonna experience a breakdown, and I mean a breakout, and then we're gonna retest. What are the... We have also a lot of orders at around here, so maybe big players could take that liquidity. Oh my god. Look at those round numbers, psychological ones. Look how many orders there are. That is where, when I made that video about psychological key levels. So here it is, baby. 280, 270, 260. Those round numbers. Keep an eye every single time on those round numbers, because it's a psychological number. So people are willing to buy at those numbers or to sell it. Well, it depends from what perspective you're looking for. If we're dropping, so look at those round numbers, because I believe that the people are trying to buy more. So for example, as I mentioned you in my live stream, I believe, when we were trying to reach 100,000 on Bitcoin, yeah, I mentioned that keep an eye on that 100, because a lot of people, there's going to be a lot of sell pressure. And yeah, we didn't reach 100K. I mean, after we did, but at that moment when we were trying to reach that first touch, to get that first touch, to get that first taste of 100K, well, it didn't happen. So yeah, keep an eye on the setup. I could be right, I could be wrong. At the end of the day, this is not financial advice. This is like a stupid phrase that I have to repeatedly say. I mean, I'm just gonna delete that. I'm gonna delete that. So yeah, Solana goes inside this range once again. Strong bounce from the bottom at 204. Also at 203, almost at 200. Also psychological level for the people who would like to accumulate more. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look what is going on with Avalanche right now. We're gonna do the whole recap after. I'm just analyzing my big boys that I'm invested. I'm trading every single time. Solana, AVAX, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, for the trading purposes. You already know that I have zero invested in Bitcoin. So yeah, let's just enjoy the music, fellas. I was interested in this comment. What do you mean nowadays no mapping in group? What do you mean by that? Huh? Also, morning to those who just joined. Oh my god, so what? In 1 hour, we have that CPI data? Ah! Alright then. Oh. Alright, we'll see. Alright, yes. That guy who commented nowadays no mapping in the group, I would like to know what you mean about that. So yeah, let's get back to business. AVAX. In front of you, there's an AVAX charts daily on 4-hour time frame. Alrighty then. Alright. Talking about AVAX. Thank you, DJ. Talking about AVAX, when the price was climbing towards the upside, with every single step that the price increased, we respected this 50-day moving average. Right now, we're below that. But all the time we saw that the money flow is going down. So this is just like a quick educational one. So that what creates divergence. And excuse me, sorry for that. So yeah, that what creates divergence. Every single time the money flow was going down, the money was leaving the market. And what is next for the AVAX? As we compare this, let's just see. I cannot see it on the heat map, that resistance, but I can see clearly on the charts. If I'm using fibs or any type of tools, even the 50-day moving averages, everything is connected with this zone. Fibs, EMAs, all this price respect. I mean, the price was respected here at around 48, 49, 50-ish. So yeah, there is a possible scenario to see that the price after that CPI news probably gonna climb towards the upside, gonna fill this gap. We're gonna trigger or hit that, let's just call a supply zone. And yeah, another movement to the downside. But looking on the bigger picture, this ascending trend line is respected. The respect is there, multiple touches, so we can identify that this is our potential support. What do you think, chat, about AVAX? Are you bullish or you're bearish? Because, you know, AI coins, gaming coins, all that industry. What do you think about that? Because I'm bullish. Because AVAX, if you're accumulating more, it has the best, I believe, from those top dogs, it has the best risk reward ratio when you're investing, because the distance till new all-time highs or till the previous all-time highs is decent for us to make 3-4x of our returns. What do you think? Bullish with you? You're bullish with me? No, you can disagree with me. I could be wrong. Right, the music's not allowed when we were talking. I could be wrong, guys. Yeah, that's true. The market is giving us opportunities, but I need to know if on AVAX we're gonna experiencing that drop, that insane drop. But I don't want to believe that, because as I mentioned you yesterday, from this top, for example, I can see clearly that this is the best demand zone because the price was consolidating at those levels. And from the top to that like negative 38, 40%, that sucks. Well, that sucks. I don't want to see that. All right, I'm going to try to connect like I did yesterday, those previews. All right, it has a respect. All right, let me just take a look at some more information, some more data. All right. By connecting that previous top, where's the music? All right, we're all good. Check. Can I secure my gains on AVAX now? This is your decision, bro. All right, we have 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average. So it works as a support right now perfectly. And right now, the 50-day moving average is our resistance, perfectly connected. Again, I'm going to repeat myself, perfectly connected with the supply zone, or let's just say resistance zone. So for the bullish scenario would be if the price, because on the lower time frame, I can see that the money flow and this momentum is increasing, is going up. So there's a probability for us to touch, to retest around that. Together with the price, I would like to see where the 50-day moving average and the candle is going to be connected. So maybe 47. All right, we're right now in the mid-range. And if I'm connecting the low, that previous low, together with that wick, we respect the mid-range. So I believe this descending channel is valid. And if I'm going to do this, this educational guess, as we did on Bitcoin when we started at rally, everything is connected with this high, this mid-range together with the high around here. All right, it is interesting. I'm gonna try to navigate myself based on these two patterns. But yeah, again, the worst case of scenario is for the price, we can experience a boring month. Don't you think? What do you think, chat? What do you think about AVAX? What do you think about AVAX? Help me to decide. Maybe it is all over. We are now experiencing a bear market. Yeah, 200-day moving average. Of course, we are on the 4-hour time frame. On the daily time frame, we're not even close. We're experiencing this golden cross. Let's just call it a golden cross. So after this massive rally, so it is also a healthy thing to see. Look at this drawdown. Look at this candle. Every single time we are experiencing something like that. Well, technically looking on the daily time frame on AVAX, the last time we got this candle is at what? 2024 April 13. Is that correct? Yeah, it's 2024. Yeah, I'm trying to play safe. I'm always trying to play safe. But yeah, to have this pullback and to have a boring, of course, I believe, oh my god, no one is gonna be interested in crypto, and we're gonna experience a drawdown, then the crypto is gonna start pumping. For example, we're gonna take an example on AVAX, then the retail traders are gonna come back and you're gonna lose even more money if you're not gonna prepare yourself. You have to prepare yourself. God damn it, this is why I'm here. I'm preparing you for these, for the bullish scenario and for the bearish scenario, of course. Looking at the market, what it did in the past, well, that would be surprise if we're like now experiencing the movement to the downside. We can scalp inside those patterns or channels, and another support will be at 438 and 40 again. Maybe we're gonna retest this, or we're gonna fill the gap with a price. What are your thoughts, chat? Come on, we're in this thing together. Of course, we're gonna, let's just, after golden cross, but previous bull rally, after getting this golden cross, we didn't even experience a drawdown. You see, the price went inside between 50-day and 200 EMAs, and we could experience the same thing. Like this. I don't know. We're just trying to aim for the Perfect levels where all of us could buy some more 4 hour time frame. Let's just jump back. Just wait for the CPI. CPI, there's not going to be a lot of difference if we're looking on the daily time frame. So I'm just going to delete that. Looking on the heat map, what else we can see? Or maybe we can take that retest one more time. Those sweet zones. What does a 35 stands for? 35 is the bottom of this descending channel. So you see, guys, everything is connected. So I'm doing every single time. What is your trading strategy? Patterns, trend lines, everything. Just looking at all sorts of different data. May see a retest. Yeah. Because I don't want to give a signals in my whale room to short, because I'm personally don't want to short it. I'm waiting for those long opportunities, you know? I would rather focus on those big ass swing longs. So I could give you that. Maybe we can start trading more aggressively, but during also this period, like December, the market is super choppy. It could be a super choppy. Slick needs to. You need a retest. No, I'm just messing around. That girl on my thumbnail needs a retest. If you know, you know. I mean, it is going viral all over the Twitter. So I thought it is a good idea to make it. Hey! It's her fault. Of course, we're not gonna discuss about this. Is like a trading channel. This is a trading channel. And it's like, what? Stop. All right, so let me take a 1 minute. I'm gonna take another cup of coffee. Just hold on a second. All right, I'm back. I'm back, legends. All right. One. All right, I want to get back. All right, AVAX, Solana, Ethereum has been. Solana looking good. I mean, all right, Ethereum. Take a look. All right, so for those who just joined, should I make an announcement? Hold on, I'm gonna make an announcement in my group. Maybe there's more people that are missing out this. Let me just delete that. All right. Just a reminder on my Telegram channel, my broadcast channel. There's a link down below. You can always join my Telegram broadcast channel where I'm dropping all the technical analysis, all the updates, what is going on in the market, or yeah, or X. It also works. All right, Bitcoin looks choppy. As I showed you, there's a bullish scenario and there's a bearish scenario. So yeah, everything is connected at this zone, supply, golden zone. So keep an eye on those levels. Of course, let's just take a look on Ethereum. I don't know why, but my nose is saying that we are still have to experience a big drawdown. I don't know why. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. So yeah, Ethereum looks way more cleaner. Yeah, way more clean. I believe this falling wedge pattern is gonna be valid in the long term. Looking in the long term, there's a probability I type that there's a potential upcoming head and shoulders pattern, which I hate it. I hate that pattern. And yeah, so bearish scenario, and if we're gonna experience a clean breakout, because of course all those lines connected with the 200 EMAs, I mean 200 EMA, 50 EMA, golden zone with the liquidity heat map, everything is connected. So this is the zone. Keep an eye on this one. Solana, we're analyzing our big boys. So Solana went back inside this range and also has a probability to retest the top of this channel, but we have, so I wouldn't be like adding right now a short or nothing, because we have a lot of resistance here. Look at those candles, the strong ones, the drawdown. All right, well, yeah, bro, Ibrahim all right, sorry for that, sorry for pronouncing your name. I mean, this is true. This is probably why we all do this, correct? Prove me if I'm wrong. I'm not selfish. I'm always doing something for others. So yeah, that is pretty much with Solana. I mean, technical analysis are technical analysis, but would I like enter a nice and solid long position from here for a probability to retest the top of this trend line? Me personally, no. Hell no. I would wait for the better opportunity for example, AVAX to wait to touch this gap, and the resistance zone would be nice short. Of course, make your own stop loss and everything. Yeah, but we'll see. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, look at those candles. Drawdown. Right now, we're trying to break through that mid-range. Go inside this and retest something, and then another drawdown. So yeah, let's just take a look on... What else do we have? Screw that. I don't mind that. What is the... All right, that's from yesterday. Oh my god, this looks terrible on Illuvium Core. Terrible. AVAX, still the same. Toncoin, what is going on with the Toncoin? I'm gonna analyze Toncoin, so just enjoy the music, guys. This whole live stream is about, I'm just doing my daily routine, daily work, analyzing. You can chill, enjoy, drop your comments. We're gonna probably, after CPI data, we're gonna do a quick Q&A, or maybe we'll not. We'll see. Just let me work. Yes, of course you can. I'm seeing everything that you say, everything that you ask. While I'm doing those technical analysis, you can always drop me a question. We're gonna do a quick Q&A. We'll see. Let me just... I'm doing this for myself, you know? So, yeah. Drop me if you have any questions. That's okay, bro. Marlon, I can hear you, bro. All right. One. All right, looking one of my favorite projects that I'm trying to execute. So yeah, we have also, as on all of those coins, we have a massive supply here. Toncoin, we can get rejected from here most definitely. Of course, we form this descending trend line. And for us to be bullish again, we have to break through that. Or let's just say that I'm expecting this, my like educational guess will be educational guess. Maybe we're gonna get rejected again. For example, this is what I could expect. Of course, if I'm saying something bearish, it doesn't mean that you have to sell it. It doesn't mean that. So if we can go for another leg down and respect that zone, then we can start opening our long positions or buy, because we will print a higher low in general. This is the same strategy that we hunt for those coins during the summer, and that homework play out perfectly. If you know, you know. For those who joined me and started to follow me since, I don't know, I actually forced you to follow me during the summer, because I know that many of you gonna regret and gonna be left behind, as we see right now. Many of those people were left behind. Right now, some of those people are like wishing they could rewind the clock and buy those lows, for example, on Shiba and the Dogecoin when it was at a very low points, you know? So, right, let me just take a look what is going on in the chat. Of course, 1 hour and 35 minutes in the live stream, right? So the CPI data, it is in 45 minutes or 30 minutes. All right, we'll see. What is, wanted to ask, what's your bias on XRP, if I may ask? Zero. I have no idea. I don't know why people believe that XRP could go like 500, 10,000, I don't know, thousands of dollars to the upside. This is like irrational. Just try to do the math, how much the market cap could need to increase so you could see the price. Alrighty then. XRP, everyone's, god damn, everyone is bullish on XRP, but when I created that video about XRP, that the history is trying to repeat itself, of course this is not like financial advice, no one was interested in that. That's a little bit strange. Maybe I'm not reaching the right audience. So yeah, that's pretty much it on Toncoin, of course. So I analyze all of my favorite big boys, and AVAX, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Right now we can analyze something else to see what is going on the other crypto pairs. Maybe I should jump on the gold or take a look what is going on in gold, just to I don't know, to be in shape, because I'm tracking gold, because I'm gonna jump back into that ring against gold one day or another, most definitely. I like gold, I love gold, because there's a lot of fundamental analysis, like based on what is going on in the real world, and I can combine with gold. For example, if there's a war, you can start going long in gold, you know what I mean? What's good, my brother? Matthew. How's it going, Matthew? All right, let me just take a quick look what is going on, what is going on with the chat. Ahmed Ali is always trying to get a free lunch here. Oh my god. What's good? Nice streaming. All right, so no questions, no serious questions. Alrighty then. So yeah, the Toncoin could do the same. I mean, same as the other altcoins. That would be wonderful to see. But the drawdown would be from the top. This is rational to see another drawdown by negative 10%. This is okay. I can handle that. This is nice. All right, let me just Jump back on Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum against Bitcoin. You want me to take a look on that? Still on the weekly time frame, on the 5-day, let's just say. Oh my lord. We're still trying to bounce. And look, maybe, but only maybe, this is for those who are bullish on Ethereum, because I am. We are at absolutely bottom. I see potential divergence on those two humps. 1, 2, there's a probability to see that movement to the upside. Ethereum against Bitcoin. And look at this. Let's just imagine this like a V-shaped form. This one looks the same. So maybe we can start experiencing the same rally as we saw here. Chat? For those who just joined, smash a like. Smash the like button. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. That would be wonderful. Because I abandoned all of those TikToks, Instagram. I abandoned and I'm jumping full time on YouTube. Is that a good idea, chat? What do you think about that? Enough of that hyped, crazy content that I uploaded on my Instagram, right? TikTok, Instagram, this is baloney. A little bit of music. All right. Bitcoin on a nothing new. We analyzed this yesterday. We're facing a lot of resistance here. If there's going to be a bullish scenario, I'm going to flip and go, oh my god, $150,000 based on those trend lines. It is a possible scenario. based on those ascending trend lines. That would be insane. Insane. All right, we're getting rejected on a Bitcoin dominance once again. From the top. Is this how you need to read the charts on the Bitcoin dominance? All right, so we're still in our first pocket. I need to see the price action, this whole indicator, this dominance percentages going inside the second pocket for the altcoin season. So keep in mind that I also posted this on my X, on my Twitter. On my Twitter, there's a link down below, go check it out. Yeah, YouTube is better, but it is also very hard to grow on YouTube. Yeah, harder than on Instagram, on Twitter, and Twitter. So, all right. All technical analysis on the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We are inside this, my second leg. This is like, was our first leg, and we are in the second leg. Just quickly, just reminding that. All right, nothing new. In general, to experiencing some kind of drawdown or a pullback would be a healthy thing to see. Stop whinging. It is a healthy thing to see, like this key level, for example. Maybe they're gonna chunk a lot of money from the market. Who knows? Maybe we can go back inside that and touch 1.27 trillion. Yeah, bro, Matthew, but that was like a hyped content. I like creating content. I don't have any people that work for me. I just sometimes I film myself and upload it on my Instagram. So thank you for a compliment on my content, but still, enough of that. That is also, it's not that fun anymore. The money flow is based on the money flow on the total market cap. All right, we're excluding only Bitcoin, so comparing all of those altcoins, I don't know if it's gonna play out, but we have a reversal We are in extreme overbought territory once again, and the money flow looks like it is going down. So yeah, in general, to see, prepare your bags, prepare your money if we're gonna experiencing that drop, maybe a harder one. Just prepare to buy some more, because I believe some of those coins can make us very wealthy in the next 5-6 months. Well, if you remember my video, for example, if we're gonna compare Ethereum based on the previous bull rallies and the whole market data, the average returns on investment. So Ethereum has a solid 5-month rally, still has it from five more months. And it is possible to see $7,000 on Ethereum. These are my thoughts. Take it or leave it. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. You know me. I'm always taking profits. I'm always taking profits. Look, let's just start analyzing the total market cap. Rally to the upside. Boom. Rally to the upside. Boom. Of course, it's like a bear market. So right now, we're experiencing the first leg, as we saw that in 2020, 2021, and right now, because the market is in that bullish momentum, in the bullish movement, we can see something like that. This is like let me just paraphrase myself. This is like climbing towards the upside from the bear market. Let's just take a look. From the bear market, I believe here that was a COVID crash, if I'm not mistaken. That was like a COVID crash. So this is like a first leg from the bear market. Boom, first leg, and it's like a three waves. So I'm expecting 3 waves, but comparing with this one, it looks like we're already done. That sucks. So, only educational guesses, no predictions, only probabilities based on the charts. Of course, we have more fundamental data, and comparing the previous bull rallies with this one, I believe we have a solid chance for another rally. Soon, DG is going to buy more Ethereum. What is wrong by accumulating right now? Just do the dollar cost average strategy, It's always a good idea. Bitcoin is sitting at $98,000, almost $100,000. 2% or what, like 1.7% away? We're still at those all-time high territories. What else do you want? What else do you want? As I mentioned, people don't care about that 100,000 anymore. Everyone is like, I want to see $150,000, $200,000. And this is insane. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. So, right, chat, while we're waiting here, do you have any more questions? I'm going to keep my eyes on Ethereum because I'm a Ethereum boy. You can choose your own team. I'm choosing Ethereum. So it is on 7 a.m., but it's not like, 30 minutes. So we'll see how it plays out. Alrighty then. What else, chat? We are in here for 1 hour and 48 minutes. Okay. So if we are in 30 minutes away, what is going on 30-minute time frame? Here it is, baby. Here it is. I'm just going to delete that CPI. We'll see what the impact it has in the market, because I believe that nothing crazy will happen, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong about a lot of things. Alrighty then. Let me just delete those. Can you take a look on? No, not now. Educational guess. Potential head and shoulders pattern. What about sushi? You want to order sushi or what? Take a look on sushi. It has a better returns. Do you understand, guys, that the majority of those coins are forming exactly the same thing? And you can do your own homework by comparing all of those technical analysis from, I don't know, AVAX, Ethereum, all of those. We analyzed yesterday a lot of those coins. So, of course, not financial advice. Technical analysis are just a technical analysis. It doesn't mean I'm taking that trade or I'm just guessing by using price action technical analysis. All right. What else, chat? What else? Yeah, we're waiting, but I don't believe that there's some gold. All right. Yeah, I have feelings on gold because yeah, I would like to see what is going on with the gold. But I don't believe that there's going to be something crazy in the market. I don't think so, but what the hell am I saying? All right, gold. All right, gold. Gold. All right. So don't mind that money flow and all that indicator. I don't like use indicators on gold. Analyze gold on for CPI. Gold on CPI. All-time highs. I believe these are all-time highs, correct? On gold. All right, let's just take a look on gold. Let's just start with the what is up with the 12-hour time frame. Oh my god. Hey, could you show us the color configuration of your purchase? Well, before I'm gonna jump into a gold, I don't know. These you can make a pause, so don't mind that. Oh, also I'm using the other one if I'm on the dark mode. Sure, green. I'm using this one, so nothing crazy. I don't know why you keep asking me this, guys, but You see the color. Are you a colorblind or what? So you can remake that very easily. All right, so we'll see what CPI data has, what impact to the market. All right, highs, lows. This previous high is connected with this demand zone. We're just taking a look on the bigger time frame right now. Of course, I gave a quick call on gold after we saw this supply zone, Mr. Supply Zone. So for those who took this one, of course, the volatility and everything. Let's just say, based on the 4-hour time frame, we're creating a higher lows, even the higher highs together with that wick. What do we see on gold? We are flipping above this discounted zone. You think so, bro? Look, supply and demand, or you can call it a fair value gap. After this impulsive movement to the upside, the price went inside this gap once again. So, actually, when we saw the gold after this drop, there was a very high chance for us to see that retest. And of course, when we climbing towards the upside, we were in an extremely overbought territory. I was expecting a drop. Right now, what do I see? Well, yeah, I don't like use those indicators, but based on the money flow, yeah, everything is trying to rise up. But maybe we can see a price action. If you're thinking that the gold is going to reach new all-time highs, maybe we can see the price action to fill a demand zone on the lower time frame. Boom, to break the whole structure again, and then climb towards the upside. Huh? What do you think? Yeah, that is why I don't want to give you a call. I don't want you to lose based on my call, because those two calls were pretty accurate, because we saw a clean supply zone. Look at this key level. Also a head and shoulder, stupid head and shoulder pattern. Hey chat, is the music on? Is the music on? Is the music not too loud? And also here. We're climbing towards the upside. But this one, of course, I wasn't analyzing at November 24th. This one didn't play off. It did, but the supply zone playing out. All right, higher lows in general, higher lows. We have a strong support right here on gold. So what we have 20 minutes away, So you prefer chat on the gold. Let's just take a look on gold, because on the gold, everything is going crazy during those news event. And what time frame you prefer? I want to see that volatility just biting your ass. I think 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna take the whole chunk on gold from the low. Nah. Or This is our swing low. This is our swing high. Huh? Look. Demand zone perfectly connects with this. That would be a perfect entry point on the lower time frame if we could retest, create another higher low, and then push the price towards the upside. That would be an awesome scenario. But I have zero thoughts right now on gold because let's just wait for the CPI. All right, so my homework on Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and AVAX, also on Toncoin, is done. I'm done with it. You are XRP boy. At what price you bought XRP? I'm very interested. And when? Huh? Holy macaroni. No answer to that? No. That would be wonderful. But we already did. We already went inside this golden zone. So another chance to get in near the golden zone, it is less probable or possible. Sold it in 21. I'm big on Ethereum and Solana. Great. I like that. I like those two projects. No one is saying you don't believe in Ondo. Actually, I don't believe in any of that shit. We are here just to make money. So still, gold is squeezing, consolidates right now. So yeah, what? 19 minutes, let's just say 18 minutes away. So we'll see how the gold reacts. Because I don't care about crypto because we analyze everything on the bigger time frame, so it doesn't concern me. But still, guys, to trade crypto during December, it is choppy and risky if you're using insane amount of leverage. XRP guys think it's gonna go. God damn it. XRP to $500. If somehow for some reason it happens, I don't even care. But I don't believe that. You're welcome, Nico. Nico 94. You know that saying that never trade during the news. What we're doing right now, we're trying to guess where the price is gonna go next during the news. Yeah, totally roller coaster in December. So be cautious. Watch Solana. Watch your mouth. I'm just messing with you. So if you don't believe in that, so don't even pay attention to that. Don't pay attention. The goal is for those guys to turn you into the FOMO phase and go all in, for example, on XRP. I have my friend who I was telling this story. I don't remember which live stream it was, but I was sharing the story. There was a friend who bought XRP in that first rally, and he's kept holding this project, these tokens, these shares, the entire time. And everything pumped. He sold it in a very, very small profit. And then he started to read all of those news. XRP could go to the $500, $100. And he bought it again. And then we're experiencing this pullback. And now he's again in a loss. So people will never learn. People will never learn. No matter what you're gonna say. On W time frame, I hope we're gonna close above. We're gonna see retracement, I think. You're talking about what? You talking about gold or? Gold looks stupid right now. All right. 15 minutes. I believe it's 15 minutes. Chat, can you double check when there's that CPI news gonna come up? I need more coffee. Need more coffee. What is going on with that? Let me just take a look what is going on some random stuff. I want to see how the Dogecoin is doing. Oh, sorry. Because, of course, he had old tech. Oh, my lord. Oh, my lord. Yeah, those are my previous technical analysis on Doge. Let's just go on this one. Oh, my lord. Solid and decent looking, respect having consolidation phase. Maybe the Dogecoin could do something like this. Get back inside this channel. And strike for the greatness. But if this support won't gonna hold us and the deviation won't play out, we have a long way to the downside. Oh my god. What is up with the Shiba? Same, but different. Same. On daily time frame. Oh my, look at those tits. Look at those tits. All right. Still ready to go. I could say these are some kind of divergence. Look at those beautiful tits. Blap, 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 blap. Would be wonderful for the Shiba investors. Take a liquidity, then I want to be a part of this, and I want to take a look live what will happen for the gold. All right, I'm gonna go on a 1 hour or 30-minute time frame. I almost forgot about analyzing gold. I want to taste that. I want to taste that. Do not trade during the news day. What does it feels like? Because when I'm trading crypto, I don't care what kind of news are gonna come up. I really don't. All right, so we have like 12 minutes. 12 minutes is like 8:30 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. Chat, just open the crypto craft or forex factory and double check at what time the CPI, or maybe I'm wrong. Am I following the news correctly? I mean, I just quickly checked. I could be wrong. This whole live stream is a waste of time. All right, I'm gonna be right back in 1 minute. Guess who's back? Alrighty then. Less than 10 minutes. Okay, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Because I don't want to open another window. I'm just gonna quickly take a look on Ethereum because I'm working on my exit plan. And what if I'm gonna buy more something? We're getting rejected. Double check mic check. All right, all good. All right then. What if I'm gonna use a lot of orders? Oh my god. Oh my, look how many orders. All right, nothing crazy. I'm gonna delete that. On gold, we are watching live CPI data on gold. That doesn't mean, it means nothing. I'm not in a trade, but for those who longing or shorting gold who just joined, comment below. That would be interesting. That would be interesting to see. All right, CPI. Do your magic. Right. Do your thing. Spit on that thing. Six minutes away. 10 minutes. Do you like my art? Or this is just like necessary? Spray on that thing, Nico. Spray on that thing. Oh, here it is. We're getting started. It's getting started. All right, let me. I want to go on 15-minute time frame. Oh. Alright, spit on that thing. Spit on that thing. Nico, you're extreme bullish. Is there people who trading during the news? I mean, from this chat, from those who are watching right now? Do we have a suicide squad in the room? Thanks. Trying to do my best to make those live streams more entertain. Oh, we are pumping. Oh my god, we are pumping. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Flex is like holding a countdown timer. Into the cells. Alright. 0.02 lots. You made one fast short. Alright. You do understand that there's... Oh! You made a fast short. Oh my god, look at this. This is crazy. After this one, we're gonna take a look after those news. All right, so we are 20 seconds. All right, I'm gonna take a look what is going on Ethereum after this one. You do understand that we are on the 4-hour time frame. I don't trade those small time frames. Maybe for a quick long or short if the market is doing absolutely nothing. Oh, come on, come on. If you're making that much, you want me to jump on the 1 minute? Oh my lord, Ethan. Higher lows. I mean, nah. You broke the previous one. But Nico is a pro. All right, that's it. Chat, for those who just joined, smash your like button. It costs you absolutely nothing. Appreciate that. Thank you. Drop a like on this video. That would be awesome. Or maybe you don't like my content, so you won't inspire me to make more of those live streams. Yeah, pump the jam. Spit on that thing. All me. Alright, so basically we took that. For those who's watching, what other reports are saying? Hmm. Naughty, naughty. Yeah, gold. All right. Just comment in the chat when we are done with this CPI data. I'm not tracking. I don't want to open another window, as I mentioned you. All right. All right, chat. Mic check, check. We are not done. We are not done. Oh my god. What is it like? We respect the 50 and 200 EMAs. Still in some kind of uptrend. Holy macaroni. All right. 5 minutes to... Okay. Comment below, are you longing something or shorting on something? I want to see how many bulls and how many bears there are in the chat on this live stream. Huh? 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 3 candles. Bullish momentum. No trade. Long. On what, school? On what? Alright. NGA. Why I always pronounce your name Ninja? No, it's not only ICT. It's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We're just looking, for those who just joined, we're just looking how the market will react at the CPA data. Mavia, okay. No trades. Longing gold. All right. For those who just joined, don't be afraid. Smash a like. That will help me a lot. I still have my long like set from 2,575. 275. Where is that? 200. What? Oh, I need to take a look on the bigger time frame. All right. All right, Nico, I believe that's decent if you're longing from those levels. If we're talking about gold, not about Ethereum. If we're talking about Ethereum, you're booming right now. Look at this candle. Look at this candle. Oh my god. What is wrong with me? Why I'm drawing these types? Don't do that. You have to be a friendly neighbor from YouTube. Plan FOMO. Well, I short fast down and take the swing lows. Then I trade the OP to take the gold. Okay. What is up with the 1 minute? A 2 minute time frame was better. What is up with the 3? 3. We're not done. We're not crossing that momentum. If I'm looking on that indicator, still bullish divergence here. Yeah, guys, always it is a good idea to secure profits. You want me to take a look on the 5 minute time frame? What do we see there? Oh, we're not done. We're not done. And looking on the 30 minutes, based on the standard and traditional market structure, we have to break through 2.7. If I'm not mistaken. If we close above this swing high on the weekly, I'm 110% sure we're gonna make all-time highs again. Oh, how's that gonna correlate with the crypto market gold? I mean, alrighty then. So yeah, maybe this rally could retest those resistance zones that we talked about when we analyzed crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, AVAX. Yeah, because we had a solid window for a retest on that supply zone. Chips, almost say. Oh my god, 2 hours and 36 minutes. What I'm doing live. 2 hours and 36 minutes in this live stream. The longest live stream I ever done is 4 hours when we tried to reach $100,000 Bitcoin. My mouth ended up being very dry because I was like talking for 4 hours non-stop. All right. Comment in the chat Forex for those who trades only Forex, and in the chat crypto for those who just trade only crypto. I want to see how many people are. Of course, I do, and I do believe that we're able to trade multiple asset classes, but I want to see right now XRP. God damn it. What is wrong with the XRP? What is wrong with you guys? Forex. All right, Forex. Common Forex, crypto. All right, crypto, school. Trading both. All right, crypto. We got a crypto crew right here. Forex and crypto. Only crypto, Forex, crypto. All right, what else? What else do we have? Crypto. 1, 2, 3. Of course, we don't. There's not a lot of people on this live stream, but 51 are watching right now. Crypto plus Forex. Only crypto plus Forex with a lightning emoji. I trade when there's a good one. All right, that's the decent answer. I trade where the good money is. All right, Nico, Forex. Ethereum. Oh, I got a friend. I'm also trading Ethereum. Some people, Ethereum. All right, so for those who are watching that live event on the Forex Factor or the Cryptocraft, so we're done. We're done with this CPI news or not? Because again, I'm not going to open that window. How long is it going to take? 30 minutes to close all of those CPIs reports? Big fan of it. Thank you. It is Saki09. Hey, Saki. Both. So, for example, if you're trading, I'm interested in what kind of people are watching me right now. So, if people are trading, and all right, let's do this. What is the best time frame? I want to discuss about this one. What is the best time frame? We have a plenty of time when we are watching those CPI stuff. Yeah, it's done. Oh, okay. Volatility is not done yet, but of course we are on the smaller time frame. Chat, the question is for you because I got this a lot. I feel terrible right now, and I'm also trading Ethereum. I thought we are friends, but hold on. Hey, DG, don't sweat it. I mean, what is the best time frame, chat? Chat, what is the best time frame? I want to ask you because you've been asking me this for like since I started to post content on Instagram. What is the best time frame for daily, weekly, monthly? All right, decent. These are my time frames, of course. Yeah, daily, nice, daily. Because if you're trading Forex and you're trading crypto, there's a difference between strategies, I guess. So I believe the best time frame depends on your goals. Wow. we have a very wise people in the chat in this live stream. That is wonderful. 4 hours and 1 hour. All right, decent time frames. 15-minute time frames on what? On crypto? If on crypto, you are not my friend. I'm just messing with you. But if you swing trade, then 1, 5, 15, 1 hour. 4 hours, 1 day for scalping, 15 minutes. 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day. Yes. All the juices are on the bigger time frame. All right, we discussed about time frames. We discussed about Forex or crypto. Is there any stock traders in the chat? If you're a stock trader, just comment below stock. I'm making those live streams more entertaining. Oh my God. I use my lucky eye. All right. Spit on that thing. All right. No stock traders. All right. 1 minute time frame. All right. So stock options. Great. Also, by closing this conversation and getting back into the charts, I want to take a look what is going on with Ethereum and Bitcoin. What I wanted to ask, hold on a second. Let's rewind the clock. What is your favorite trading pair? Trading pair. I want to know what is your favorite trading pair. Is it just only Bitcoin? You have to choose one. There is no multiple options. Only one. Crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, gold, Euro USD. You only have to choose one. I'm very curious and I'm interested in your answer. Now we are narrowing all of those answers and like taking what is the best trading strategy. There is no such thing as a best trading strategy. The best trading strategy, in my opinion, is, there's one guy who likes to trade only Dogecoin. And the best trading strategy is, as long as you understand your environment, you have to understand your environment. That's, for example, I understand Ethereum. I have like a special connection since, I don't know, since forever, because I mine Ethereum and I was like, keep watching that price action through all of those years. So I believe my best trading strategy is only just to trade Ethereum. I mean, it sounds a little bit ridiculous, but BTC, Solana. Hi, bro, how are you? Hey, future trader from the future. Doge, Ethereum. Again, we got Solana, BTC, Euro USD. For example, I like trading Ethereum, and let's just call that trading strategy basically supply and demand, and of course trend lines, patterns, combining everything together, doing some fundamental analysis. Are we on the bull rally or with the bear rally? Is there a probability to see some kind of leg down or leg up? Well, what are the market conditions? What are the market sentiments in total? So yeah, everything, you combining everything and you having your trading strategy. Of course, I have one pattern on the crypto. I have one pattern that I'm always looking at. And this strategy works for investors and traders. So by saying traders, only for long buy positions. For short sell positions on the bigger time frame, I'm always looking on the divergence, on those potential divergence, because this is where we can make most of the money, because for that instant drop. BTC, this is gold versus gold. Please teach me about supply and demand. I plan to make a video. All right, we're gonna do this. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, like this video, and I'll do the next live stream. We're gonna talk only about supply and demand, because I wanted to make the whole pre-recorded video, but I see right now that I don't want to do those videos and to edit and that stuff. I want to do more of those live streams because we can, I don't know, interact with each other. All right, Sounds a little bit of GAY. Bro, Fib strategy is awesome. Fibonacci levels are also work. Yeah, Fibonacci strategies also, but of course, those Fibonacci golden zones, discounted zones could be respected, disrespected, but still, it indicates a potential support or resistance zones, or like supply, demand gaps, the golden zone in between. So yeah. All right, so we're done with the gold. So I believe you guys longed it from here. So yeah, trade during those news, but on a bigger time frame. Let's just take a look what is going on the 1 hour time frame. For example, if I were like if I were jumping into the gold earlier, but of course I was not gonna trade gold right now. I won't, because we're right now trying to trade crypto. So our golden zone was respected even on 1 hour time from our swing highs. Let me just quickly delete that. So I would be jumping based on this golden zone, most definitely. Look, despite that volatility from our swing highs to our swing lows, now we're trying to retest and break through that one, let's just see, one level of Fibonacci. Still learning Fibonacci's. There's nothing to learn. I mean, I can show you if you want. Right now, here, this is our swing high, and that was our swing low. You're drawing from the top to a bottom, and we have a golden zone. Those are my settings. There's a full video of the Fibonacci levels on my YouTube channel, so you can go and rewatch that. Some voice of the channel, smart risk. All right. Antonio Montana. So right. Make a pause, I don't care. But yeah, from the swing highs to our swing lows, look, if the price right now consolidates wherever, these are the levels where I can open a buy long position. Of course, these are like CPI phase period, so don't mind that. Don't even look at it. Let me just quickly delete that. Where is that? For example, let's take a look in the past. What is going on? All right. So here's a quick tip of the Fibonacci. Fibonacci. Well, let's just take a look on the 1 hour time frame, and let's just take a look if the Fibonacci retracement, this tool we got respected. Look, of course, the market was a little bit choppy. We're experiencing a drawdown, so from our swing highs to our swing lows, you're drawing that Fibonacci level, right? The price climbs towards the upside, and golden zone and the discounted zones, those are the two zones that you have to pay attention and keep your eyes on to open another short sell position. You see, we respected this time. Some of the people are relying on the golden zone, and some of the people are trusting the discounted zone, because I believe that the discounted zone has a way more better, let's just say, risk to reward ratio. Or I explain everything in that video, so go and check it out. There's like a Fibonacci explanation for the beginners or something, I don't remember. So you see, from the discounted zone, you have a solid 0.48%, or you just can calculate how many pips. Or even from here, if we were looking for another short sell position from swing highs or swing lows, look, also again, discounted zone was respected. We got respected. Of course, the volatility and everything, we got respected, and we got rejected from the golden zone again. And of course, discounted zone. So those two levels are one of our supply, or let's just call it resistance zones, that we need to keep our eyes on. So Fibonacci are the most powerful tool, I believe, in the whole toolbar on the trading view. And yeah, you like my Instagram videos? Probably I won't do that anymore. I'm leaving Instagram for good. I'm moving on X, on Twitter. And yeah, here's another side of the people. Bro, don't you seek liquidity? I mean, I actually don't, because I'm using a rational leverage most of the time. And I do understand my environment. Of course, I'm not talking about gold. I'm talking about crypto market right now. But I'm just trying to make an example on gold, because I'm using very wide stop losses. I'm playing maybe with a bigger capital. Let's just see that. Also all right, Fibonacci has been discussed. Is the music not too loud? All good. All right, let me just quickly take a look what is going on with Solana. All right, plus positive 6%. Of course, same. Solana is inside this range. Now, buy or sell, this is what? A call room or what? No. We're analyzing. All right, so let's just get back on the crypto one last time. Here it is. If I'm gonna take the whole chunk from the swing highs to our swing lows, the discounted zone would be perfectly connected with this descending resistance trend line. And there's a probability for us to open a short position. Or maybe, I don't want to see that, but would be wonderful to see that discounted zone would be respected and we got rejected, not the golden zone, because we have a bigger room to go to the upside. So based on the trend lines, golden zones, discounted zones, Ethereum, what is going on with Ethereum? Ethereum is touching this one, this supply or potential golden zone. All right, just we discussed and I analyzed like what, 1 hour ago, and there's a probability to see something like that. Another right shoulder would be printed on a 4-hour time frame. But if we're gonna get lucky, if we're gonna experience a breakout through this descending trend line, that forms a potential falling wedge pattern, which is bullish, Well, if I'm gonna get more touches on this one, because I cannot see. Let me just try to connect those. Why we're... Alrighty then. That's more accurate. If we're gonna get lucky and we're gonna experience a breakout, and that head and shoulder pattern would be invalid. So yeah, another rally to $4,000 would be wonderful to see, and that gonna get me I'm gonna be more confident, and I will have more confirmation that we are in some kind of range, and I'm not gonna rely on the patterns. So from the top to the bottom, the more touches we have, the support is holding us. So that would be our range between $4,000 and 3.5. So we're waiting for that. I'm just helping you to make a decision. I'm not in any of those trades right now. And yeah, Bitcoin looks choppy. I don't like it. Maybe we are in some kind of range or we are not, but I analyzed Bitcoin yesterday together with you. Spit on that thing, gold is going up. All right, just hold on, bear with me. I'm gonna take a look what is going on. All right, Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVAX. Right now we broke through that mid-range. If this pattern is gonna stay valid, and there's a chance to go inside this gap and retest the supply zone, maybe a small shake off or fake out and another rejection based on the market structure, because we broke through those lows or higher lows. So I'm just trying to catch the trend. I'm gonna use the dead one. Even here we got a dead one. We experienced a breakdown through all those previous lows and created and printed a lower low. So yeah, those are my scenarios on the crypto, on most popular, on top big dogs. Those leftovers are a pain in the ass. And yeah, let's just finish up this with the goal. I mean, yeah. You see, we're respecting and getting rejected from that supply zone. So we'll see. So we'll see if the whole scenario plays out. I mean, those arrows that I draw here, not that accurate. I'm just like messing around. It is impossible to show you the accurate price action in the near future. So come on, guys. What is your indicator name? It is like a simple Wu Manchu. So I'm using a Wu Manchu. I'm using all sorts of different indicators, but right now this indicator I'm using for a different purpose right now. So don't mind that. You can always find and backtest different indicators if you like. All right, nothing new. Bitcoin dominance, all right. Gold. Are we on a gold? 4-minute time frame. When I'm used to trade right now on those bigger time frames, so when you're saying that the gold is pumping, this is nothing. All right, over 1,000 pips, but 32 bars from that wick, but it is nothing. This is not pumping. This is pumping. Oh, okay. This is pumping. This is dropping. Bigger time frames, more juice on the gold. For example, the money flow and all those momentums, RSIs. It's very hard to track gold from, in my opinion, on the 4-hour time frame. Maybe on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it is more, because on the daily time frame where all of those juices are, I cannot see anything. But right now, yeah. Based, for example, on this indicator, if I'm going to rely only on this indicator, we're right now, yeah, maybe we can experience a small pullback in general, but the money flow is getting higher, 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 and higher. Beautiful divergence play out in general. Yeah. So the gold is... All right, chat. Any more questions? Any more questions? CPI news. I haven't been checking that, but you shouldn't be trading during those news. Yeah, so that's what I told you, that we need to take 1.7k, if I'm not mistaken. Correct, Nico? Because when you're trading gold or Forex, I need to jump into the more... Oh, no questions. All right, Slick. All right, Slick. Goddamn Slick. But we already take that. Equal highs. Equal highs right now. All right. Alrighty then, guys. So... I believe that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the music. Smash a like, subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Nothing in here is a financial advice. Remember that. Nothing in here is a financial advice. So do your own research, do your own technical analysis. If you have a strategy that works, stick to your goddamn strategy. Don't listen to what I'm saying. It could mess with your head, so... Yeah, let's wrap it up, Slick. So, yeah, I'll see you in the whale room, Slick. Talk to you there. For those who want to join, there's a link down below. Get access to the whale room. I don't care. You want it or not. This is your choice. This is our private Discord community. And yeah. Yeah. Stay safe. Don't be greedy. Always use your stop losses. And yeah, stay safe. Always take profits. God damn it. Take profits.